Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube channel. The process is straightforward and effortless. There are a few ways you can verify your YouTube channel. First, ensure you have signed in with that account, which you want to verify on YouTube. After that, you will see that we are on YouTube's homepage. From here, you can see your profile icon on the top right. Tap on it. Here, you have to tap on this option, YouTube Studio, and we will be redirected to the YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, look at the bottom left. You can see the setting icon. Tap on it. From here, tap on the second option, Channel. And in this pop-up, you have to tap on this option, Feature Eligibility. So, these are ways by which you can verify your YouTube channel. The first way is simple. Upload videos and create a playlist. But the second way is to verify your phone number on your YouTube channel. And how can you do it? Tap on this arrow icon. Tap on this option to verify your phone number. You will be redirected to this page where you can verify your phone number. You must select your country and write the number using the country code. And these two options are: text me a verification code or call me and choose one of these. Then tap on this option, Get Code. In the second step, you must write the code YouTube sent you. Let's go back and explore the third feature, by which we can verify our YouTube channel. Once you've done the second one, tap on this arrow icon. Here are a few ways you can verify. Video verification is valid ID channel history. From these options, you have to choose one. But for me, I will choose the second one, a valid ID after selecting this feature. You have to upload an image of your computerized identity card. Then, YouTube will take some time to verify your ID. After verifying your ID, your third feature will be enabled. These are the ways you can verify your YouTube channel. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We are eager to hear from you.